Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So, barkanmu da sake dawowa a cikin wannan bidiyo namu na huɗu, wanda a cikin shi za mu tattauna yadda ake participating a Mantle network ecosystem. Da yadda za ka positioning kanka ta yadda za ka samu airdrop na shi wannan project. Project ɗin Mantle is backed by big organization like BitDAO and Bybit Exchange and other organization to meet the need for the growing bit ecosystem. So akwai abubuwa da dama da suka sanya Mantle network zai kasance ya yi fitar tsara, though shi ma is a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. Na daga ciki modular data availability, multi-party computation da kuma decentralized sequencer. Waɗannan abubuwan su ne suka sanya ya zama na cewa project ne mai girma a tsakanin layer 2 projects. So ga wanda za su yi participating wajen testnet, saboda mutum ya samu daman samun airdrop which could be very big, sai ya je chainlist.org. I will leave all the description under the video. Kar a manta ai mana subscribing, ai kuma liking, ai sharing saboda 'yan uwa su amfana. Domin airdrop wata hanya ce da ake samun millions of naira a cryptocurrency cikin sauƙi. Cikin sauƙi I mean za ka yi aiki over time za a biya ka. Allah ya ba mu sa'a. So how to add Mantle testnet to your MetaMask? Za ka je chainlist.org, ga yanan zai kai mu. Ga waɗanda ba su yi adin ba, I'm already connected. You say add to MetaMask, so it will ask you to approve and you approve. As for me, I already have it with me, so abinda zan yi kenan. So abu na gaba, kai tsaye mutum zai tafi to acquire testnet bit and Goli ETH. za mu je posted.paradigm.xyz, put your wallet address, mai claiming. So ga nan zai je kai mu kai tsaye, za mu yi copying wallet address namu, which is this. We paste it here, we claim. So na riga na claiming within 24 hours, so I cannot claim again. So wanda bai yi claiming ba haka zai shiga ya yi claiming. Abu na gaba, za mu je mai requesting ga kuma another way da ake samun shi Goli testnet ɗin. You can click on goliposted.com, a inda za ka yi login da alchemy account a request 0.02 Goli. Yana da kyau wanda yake da Goli ko wanda ya samu, so ya ƙoƙari ya riƙa spending nashi wisely, saboda akwai buƙatar ya zama na cewa mutum na yin amfani da shi kaɗan kaɗan, sakamakon yana da wahalan samu, sannan kuma send me. So na yi requesting 0.02 gashi sun bani na Goli ETH. So next step shine za mu je mu claiming testnet posset na shi Mantle, which is za su ba mu bit tokens. So we click on this and it will take us directly to where we claim the posset. So idan ka yi connecting wallet naka, automatically zai populating wallet address naka. You now type the number of tokens da kake so, is between 1 to 1000. So assume ina son 500, I'll just mint 500. Zan yi minting 500. So all I should do shine I'll confirm this transaction. Na yi confirming transaction ɗin. So before ya gama loading, step na uku za mu tafi bridge.testnet.mantle.xyz mai depositing, za mu je mai bridging kenan. We click on the link to take us directly to Mantle bridge, where za mu connecting wallet address namu. Alhamdulillah. So kai tsaye za mu depositing from Goli testnet to Mantle network, Mantle testnet. So assuming za mu iya depositing bit token da kuma ether, ethereum kenan. So ina da balance of 400 bit, assuming I want to deposit 200, I'll just go ahead and say deposit. Amount of deposit 200 bit Guyana. Time to transfer from Goli 8 to Mantle network testnet zai taking up to 10 minutes. So idan ka yi, you will wait at least 10 minutes sai kai receiving abin nan naka. So it's like there is congestion a network din, amma I will choose aggressive, which is the highest gas fee da zaka iya paying. So I confirm. Ga yanan deposit na akan hanyar shi ta zuwa Mantle testnet. So the next thing shine sai mu depositing ethereum. So this is ethereum. We deposit 0, ina da balance of 0.2. I'll deposit 0.0, let's say 5. Say deposit to layer 2. As I told you, Mantle network is also a layer 2 project. So Shima, you go ahead and approve the transaction. You can view your transaction Goli Explorer. So kamar yadda muke gani, the block is on pending, so it is due to network congestion. In ka yi trying yana ma pending, you wait and try again later. So this is all about deposit bridging from Goli to Mantle. So the next thing you should do shine we withdraw the deposit we made. So we go directly to switch to Mantle testnet. I hope you are seeing my screen. So zami bridging to zami switching back to Mantle network by clicking the button, and it will switch to Mantle network. So now that we are in Mantle network, all we would do is to withdraw. So my balance Mantle network na bit is around 1,800. So assuming I want to withdraw, let's say 520. So I am withdrawing taking from layer 2 from Mantle. So idan ka latsa withdraw zai tambaye ka cewa I understand ka gane cewa it will take up to 20 minutes to be claimable on Goli. So koda kai withdrawing dole sai kai claiming nashi akan Goli testnet, which I will show you my previous withdrawal yadda zan yi claiming nashi. So you click that you understand. So we check, we confirm. So MetaMask here popping, we confirm the transaction. At the same time, we withdraw the Ethereum. I have 0.26 here. I'll just withdraw 0.1. So wanda bai withdrawing ba before, you zaka allowing with allowance before withdrawal. So we allow. So it will be a gasless, I think, a gasless transaction. We approve, which is a gasless transaction. So after mun yi approving them, sai mu withdrawing. So na daga ciki shi ma za mu agreeing to the terms and confirm withdrawal. We confirm. So a wannan shine tax ɗin da ake gabatarwa a wato abin da ya shafi Mantle network. So sai kuma abu na gaba nake son in faɗa mana, akwai wato Fusion X, wanda is the biggest DEX da aka yi building akan Mantle network, wanda kai tsaye za mu je za mu je mu interacting da ita, saboda DEX ce a kan Mantle Testnet. So za mu yi amfani da zili tax nasu, which zan wato aje links nashi ƙasa for reference. Shi ma Fusion X, kamar da na gaya muku, is a native DEX on Mantle network. As you can see, Fusion X is a native DEX akan Mantle. DEX ne kamar PancakeSwap akan BNB, da kuma Uniswap akan Ethereum, da kuma sauran kamar SushiSwap akan Ethereum, da kuma QuickSwap akan Polygon. So wanda suke powering DeFi ecosystem, which could be built by the community. So yadda testnet nasu yake su kansu, first of all za ka yi claiming POSIT from Fusion X website. So ga ina jifan tsuntsu biyu ne da dutse ɗaya. So wannan ina nuna mana yadda za mu yi zili quest ne, at the same time kuma da yadda za mu yi interaction da wato abin da ya shafi shi Fusion X wanda yake akan Mantle network. So wannan jifan tsuntsu ɗaya ne da dutse, jifan tsuntsu biyu ne da dutse ɗaya. Muna participating a Fusion X, at the same time muna participating akan wato Mantle network. So you click on the link which I'll provide below. It will take you to Fusion X POSIT. Fusion X POSIT, first of all in ka zo zai baka dama ka sending tweet, ka verifying tweet ɗin, sannan sai a baka testnet tokens ɗin. So I click on the link to make so the link is obviously kana announcing wa community cewa kana claiming test bit tokens a Fusion X or Mantle ecosystem. So you make the tweet. Without altering the tweet, you now come back to the POSIT and you verify. So after mun yi verifying, okay, suna loading, suna verifying. So they verify, you see, get testnet tokens. So I will just click on get testnet tokens. So idan ka samu ya zama successful, kai tsaye za ka yi clicking akan bit ɗin can, zai kai ka wato explorer, sai ka yi copying wannan address ɗin wanda shi ke nuna cewa ka yi claiming na shi POSIT. So zai zama confirm. Actually he will come back to it later. So sai ka zo nan under, sai ka yi pasting URL da kai copying, sai ka yi claiming reward. So abu na biyu, tax na biyu shine za ka yi swapping FX for bit. So we go to the DEX inda za mu fara participating. So initially in ka zo new, sai asking naka kai connecting wallet. We connect our wallet wanda ni MetaMask ne. So I'm connected here. So kar a manta, tax ɗin shine swap FX for bit. So za mu yi swapping FX for bit. FX a sama, bit a ƙasa. So how many FX zan yi swapping? 2 bit, let's say 1. Assuming I want to swap 1 FX for bit. So gashi nan, sometimes it can ɗau time kafin ya display, so which we can move kafin ya display to the next task. Next task shine aka ce mai swapping USDT for bit. So we go to the DEX again. So we check this one still is loading. So that means swapping USDT for bit. So the USDT now, sai for bit we check za mu selecting bit, so shi ma yana loading. In ya bamu available USDT da za mu iya swapping to bit, shi ma we'll come back to it. At the same time sai mu tayi wajen tax na gaba, add liquidity with pair. Za mu yi add liquidity with pair na bit da FX. So kai tsaye shi ma za mu tafi wajen add liquidity. We click add liquidity. Kar a manta tax ɗin ya kasance bit and FX, so zai kasance bit and FX exactly as it is. Sai ka sa adadin da za ka sa, should be around let's say 10% saboda ba mu da shi da shi ma ga shi nan yana loading. So ku check na bayan, so ga shi nan misali wannan ya displaying 1 FX da a baka 114 bit, and still swap button ɗin bai displaying ba saboda yanayin network maybe ko system ɗin da slow. So wannan na ɗaya daga cikin feedback da mutum zai je Discord nasu ya faɗa musu saboda a upgrade. Yawa, so far button namu ya bayyana. We click on swap, we confirm swap. MetaMask zai pop in, we confirm it from MetaMask, we confirm the transaction. We now view on Mantle Explorer. Da muka yi viewing sai mai copying wannan wato URL ɗin, we copy. Sai mu zo kar a manta it says swap FX for bit, so sai mu zo nan sai mu pasting URL namu, we then claim the reward which za su bamu later on. So we can close this and this, so and this also and this. So now za mu yi swapping USDT to bit, which in turn we swapping 10 zoom, and here we add liquidity and it's still loaded. So it is due to the nature of this thing. So we can go ahead and add liquidity USDT bit. We create the full. So ga yanan na add liquidity, let's say 25%. Shi ma ga add button ɗin nan ya zama stray, so we wait for it to be available for swapping. So here za mu add liquidity USDT and bit as it is on the Zilli. See, add liquidity pair USDT / bit. So we choose bit here and we wait for it to display the amount that we can exchange. So still this one is not available for swap, this one is not available for adding, and this one so we need to set, let's say 5%. Sai mu dry display. At the same time muna iya tafiya mai mintin our own custom token using DexPad and airdropping. So shi ma wannan wani process ne da ake minting token. Za ka yi creating token ka kuma yi airdrop na shi wa wasu wallet ɗin. So let's try it so you can see how it works. This is the number of tokens that aka creating, almost 61,214. So what you should do, you come down here and give your token symbol, let's say a name, let's say Sumi. The next thing, to enter the symbol, let's say SMY. You enter token decimal, let's say 18. We enter the amount of token, let's say 1 million. We press create. So look at it, it is creating for us. We confirm and token standard created. So mun yi creating token namu. So the next thing shine sai mu tafi token factory. We manage tokens. So this is the token we created. What's going on here? We copy the contract address. We go to give the airdrop. We paste the contract address of the token here. We establish a list with which you can send to any random wallet. Let's see. Let's see, where do we get? We click here and get the number of wallets that are running. So we control A here. We copy. We now go to the DEX and we paste the wallets that are in my airdrop. We approve. So we use default here. We approve successfully. It's a 500 wallet address, and national Zami airdropping 1 to each wallet. So we say airdrop. So distributing, we are just distributing airdrop. So actually this is how you can create your token on Mantle network and give airdrop to these wallets. So this thing failed. Other piece, make sure airdrop this. We need to distribute this to airdropping tokens to selected users. So we approve. What's wrong? Everything is 0. So we approve. Hopefully for this thing. It didn't approve because we couldn't bai yi loading abin nan din ba, bai yi loading adadin wato gas fee da za a yi wato caza ba. Ina ga shi ne dalilin. So this is how you perform the task, and at the same time shima you come back to the Zili and provide the URL for the interaction. So the next thing shine mai checking wannan adding liquidity bit and apex ga yanayi display. We add, we confirm the transaction, confirm. So we view on the explorer, we copy this URL and we paste it where we need to add liquidity, bit and apex, which is this one. We paste here, semi-claim reward. In the line is swapping USDT for bit, adding liquidity USDT the bit. So we assume 50%, 5%. Let's add it manually. Let's say we need 20. We add. We confirm the transaction. Confirm the transaction. We view on Explorer. We copy this URL. So don't mind wannan there is issue din USDT bit, so we paste it here. So this one that we want to mint, and we have a small issue. Airdrop token. We need to finish this. So basically this is how to participate. Shi abin da ya shafi this one we are swapping USDT for bit. I forget we swap, we confirm from the MetaMask pop-off, and next we view on Mantle Explorer. We copy the URL, we go to the Z request and paste it here to claim the reward. So basically these are the things that ya kamata mi, and if akwai bukata zan sake yi mana video how to create a token on Mantle network and Mantle network testnet and airdrop it to the provided wallet addresses. Allah ya ba mu sa, Allah shi taimaka. Kar a manta a mana liking na following video namu, a sharing da 'yan uwa saboda su amfana. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.